Judah? How you doing, buddy? There's room now, huh? You can lay on here? How you doing, kitty cat? Oh, just a silly kitty. Oh, you're just so silly. Look at you going nuts. This is what happens when we take stuff out, huh? Yeah? You just get to lay there? I'm glad you found another spot. I totally missed you. Get out the vacuum. I thought you would have ran away. But I guess not. But I'm going to turn it on here in a second. So you're going to probably run away. You're probably going to run away. I know. Let's see. There he goes.